Hi everyone, Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org today, and I'm doing an unboxing today of the newest curriculum from Dr. Melanie Wilson of Grammar Galaxy. So let's see what we've got in here. Here is, for official Grammar Guardians only, we have Supernova, Volume 7. So exciting. I started with Grammar Galaxy way back with the first volume, Nebula, all those years ago. And now we are all the way up to Volume 7. So this one has the reader. So that's what this book is. It's the smaller book. And in it are the stories that you read, because Grammar Galaxy is a language arts curriculum that is story-based. So you've got chapter 1 there, and this is how long a story is. And then there's chapter 2. So let's see, there are 36 stories. This is the table of contents here. So you're learning things like science reading, theme, tone and mood, movies as literature, slang and jargon, idioms. And then here's the second page, and it has things like sentence starters, passive voice, concise writing. I think I need to go through this. And so you read the story. So here is an example. Here's chapter 6, and you've got some vocabulary words nonchalantly there. And I love how Melanie does the definitions with a synonym to make it a lot more easy to remember what it means. Here's another one for pessimist, doubter. And then when you get to the concept, you're looking in the guide to Grammar Galaxy, and then this is teaching you about the concept for tone and mood. And then the end has some questions, some comprehension questions. So after you read the story here, you go into the mission manual, and this is where you do the practice for that story. So let me flip through to number 6 that we were just looking at for tone and mood and show you what you have. So you first have the letter from the guardians that you are helping. That would be Kirk, Luke, and Ellen, English. And you've got typically some review questions here, multiple choice. Then here's some things where you're going to be practicing what you learned. You're going to be putting those vocabulary words in a sentence. You'll identify tone here at the bottom. And then on this page, you're reading a poem by Edgar Allan Poe and talking about the setting and the mood of that poem. And then some more activities on this page. So it's really actually a very fun way for kids to do language arts if you have a child that is not very interested in language arts. So here is a quick guide here. Let's see. This is telling you some things that you learn in each level. This one goes all the way through Blue Star. So you've got level 1, 2, 3, and then here is some for Red Star as well. So I hope you will take a look at Grammar Galaxy and see if it's something that you and your kids would like. Head over to iChooseJoy.org/Grammar Galaxy for my affiliate link.